Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry I don't have an intro, but today's video is going to be a beginner's workout, perfect for anyone trying to learn their form. This is going to be a 30-second every single exercise, 5 rounds. We're going to start with glute bridges. Make sure you're driving from your heel and squeezing your glutes at the top. This is my favorite glute exercise. Next, we're going into the side-to-side jumps. Once again, remember every single exercise is 30 seconds non-stop. We are keeping that heart rate up and burning fat. Next, we're going into these shoulder taps. Make sure you keep your core really tight and continuously tap your shoulders until the 30 seconds are up. Next, we're going into these leg kicks. I like to keep my legs straight. It really makes me feel it in my glute. Right when 15 seconds are up, I want you to just pulse, which means you don't bring your leg all the way down. You just really focus on that glute and pulse until the 30 seconds are up. Now we're going into these in and out jumps. I always tell people to remember, when you come up top, you're only on your toes. Then you come down and squat. Toes and squat, toes and squat. Now we're doing lunge kick up. Lunge kick up. You could also do these on the floor if it's too hard for you to do it on a step. We're going to go 30 seconds on each leg. For this last exercise, it's lunge, lunge, and then a double squat pulse. Lunge, lunge, double squat pulse. You're going to continue for 30 seconds. On these, really focus on driving from your heel when you're lunging, and that when you do your squat, you're not too wide where your knees look all funky. Make sure you keep your legs shoulder width when you're squatting. Make sure you repeat all the exercises 5 times and you got yourself a really good workout. See you next time, guys.